How to enable or disable ad blocker in Google Chrome on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Press the bell launch Google Chrome on your phone. Tap three dots at top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now scroll down and locate Site Setting option under Advanced. Here you have to scroll down and now locate the option for pop-ups and redirects. So if you toggle the button on, then this will disable ad blocker in Google Chrome on Android. But if you wish to enable ad blocker in Google Chrome on Android and block ads, simply toggle the button off for pop-ups and redirect button. This will block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects. So now come back and now choose intrusive ads button. In order to block ads on Chrome browser on Android, you can toggle the button off. Now ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. But if you wish to enable ads on Chrome browser, you can toggle the button on and any sites you visit can show any ad to you. And this way you can easily enable or disable ad blocker in Google Chrome on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.